Okay, to use your cruise control, you turn this one on, and then you'll notice that on the display you get those lines in front of you, and that's the distance between you and the car in front of you. So if you want less distance, you press this one, and then you're gonna see those little lines disappear. And if you want more distance between you and the car in front of you, you press this one, and you'll see those lines come up on the car. And that'll mean that once you're in cruise control, the car will slow down and pick up speed. So let's say you set it up for 75 miles per hour and there's a car in front of you, it will slow down, and once that car moves, it'll pick up speed. But this is the distance. And then this one's adaptive cruise control. So this one right here, that's where you turn it on. This is where the steering wheel will bring you back to the lane, and you'll feel the slight push like this, or pulling you this way, depending on where you're at. And then that thing that says ready, that one with the steering wheel, that will turn green. So notice how I'm going to turn it off. See how it's gone, and then back on again. That'll turn green once it's on. And then once you're at the speed you want, you press set, and then it'll set that speed. If you come to a complete full stop and you want to go back to the speed you were at, you just press reset. And then if you want to go at a faster speed, you go up and then down